Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
The Honorable my ex-seminar that my seminar thesis proposal, Miss Gaida Debi Soraya SAM Hum, the Honorable my supervisor, Miss Musdalifah SPD MPD. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fadila Hilal. I'm from English department. Okay, before I present my thesis proposal, I would like to say thank you very much, my supervisor. Armeni give me suggestion, solution, information, and correction. So I can finish my thesis proposal. So I immediately present my thesis proposal with the title An Analysis on Teacher Strategy in Virtual Teaching Reading Comprehension at the Second Grade of Manpalopo. Okay, next. Chapter 1, Background. The first, Teaching Reading. The second, COVID-19. The third, Virtual Learning. The fourth, Teaching Strategy. Next, research question. What are the teacher strategy in virtual teaching reading comprehension at the second grade of Manpalopo? Next, objective of the research. The purpose of this research are to study and analyze effective reading learning strategies during the pandemic, foster interest in reading students so they don't bore learning to read with monotonous virtual learning, review online learning outcomes over the past 2 years, effective or not in the long term, as long as the pandemic is not over. Next, the significance of the research. The result of this research is expected to give advantage. Those are the first theoretically, the first for the teacher, next for the student for the research, and the second particularly for the teachers, and the second for the student, and the last for the research. Next, scope of the research. Based on this study, the scope of the research is focused on giving teachers strategy in reading comprehension skill at the second grade of Manpalopo. Chapter 2, Theoretical Review. From Kasmawati Geminasti Sakir, improving student reading comprehension through. And the second, Rimba Hamid, Islam Centro, Saka Hasan, online learning and its problem in the COVID-19 emergency period, volume 8. Next, theoretical review about reading comprehension, and the second, teacher strategy, and the last, virtual teaching. Next, Chapter 3, Research Methodology, about method and design the research. Qualitative research. The time and place of the research. The research will be held on January in Manpalopo. Population and the sample, 1 classes, so the population of this research are 30 students and 1 teachers. The technique of collecting data, the first pre-test, second treatment, and the last post-test. The instrument of the research, the first interview, the second questionnaire. Next, the technique of data analysis, classifying the student score. Next, calculation the rate percentage of student. And the last, in determining the mean score. Okay, any questions so far from my supervisor or my examiner?
Okay, Fadila Hilal, good for your presentation today. And from your presentation, I have a question. That is, what the benefit of your research for further researchers?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. My answer, teacher must be able to improve student understanding in reading activity during the online learning process, which takes place in a relatively short duration.
Wow, that's good. Okay, maybe just it my question.
From my supervisor,
Okay, Fadila Hilal, I have one question for you. What you propose your research?
okay, thank you, ma'am. I choose to study and analyze effective reading learning strategies during the pandemic and foster interest in reading students so they don't get bored learning to read with monotonous virtual learning.
Okay, thank you, Fadila Hilal. I think that's clear and okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for my examiner and my supervisor.